Hi and welcome to Office Fluent. My name is Jan and welcome back to Excel from Basics to Expert. Let's take a look at a very easy but very powerful feature in Excel, freeze panes. So this is not going to be a long video, but I guess if you don't know it yet, this will be valuable for you. Okay, I do have a table here about workplace safety, and you can see, okay, I scrolled a little bit in, but we have a lot of dates, a lot of rows here. I think it's about 500, and we have different columns. And if we want to scroll down, at some point, okay, what is this row again? So we would need to scroll up, see, oh, it's the incident cost, and then find the number again we just saw. What we instead can do is click on the View tab and select Freeze Panes. And here we can just freeze the top row. And if I do this, you can see there is a small little additional indicator that this row is now frozen. And if I scroll down now, you can see the first row will always be visible at the top. So if I scroll down now, I can see, okay, I have 2,337 here. Oh, it's the incident cost. And this happened in the night shift. So this makes scrolling through very big tables a lot easier because you always have the titles still on top. And we can do the same if I unfreeze the panes again. We can do the same with the first column instead. There you can see the indicator a lot better. And if I scroll down, scroll to the right now, you see the first column is now frozen instead of the first row. This doesn't make as much sense as we have a very slim table with only, I think, 14 columns. But if you have, for example, the export from a form, which can have a lot of columns based on the number of questions you asked, this makes a lot more sense. And finally, we can unfreeze again. And what we also can do, this is very interesting if we have more than one title line on top, or we just want to focus on a section, we can use the option Freeze Panes. This one is based on which cell you have marked at the moment. So for example, if I wanted to freeze the top row and the first column, I would click on this B2. So I have these both not marked. Click on Freeze Panes. And now you can see we have the divider here, and now the first column and the top row are frozen. This also allows me to, for example, say I want to freeze the first 3 rows by clicking in A4. You can see the divider will now be here between the column 0 and A and below row 3. And if I click Freeze Panes now, we have the divider here in the middle and the first 3 rows are frozen. That's already all I have for today. I hope you found this interesting and learned something new. And if you did, give me a heads up in the comment. And please also tell me, do you like this shorter video format more? Would you prefer more in-depth videos about different topics? Give this video a like if you liked it, or don't if you didn't, and subscribe for more. See you next week. Bye.